The best fidgets in bed. I suggest a needle because you can just squish and it won't wake up anyone. Just don't throw it on the floor and it will wake up your roommate. An Orbeez fidget would be okay. Just squish it quietly. Also, an air-filled fidget would be okay. And the last good fidget are emojis. The worst fidget for when you're in bed. Don't bring any loud needles. They will wake up your roommates. Do not bring any poppets because when your roommates listen to these pops, they'll get annoyed just like this. Like that. Definitely don't bring a bigger poppet because one, it'll wake up your roommate, and two, it will just upset them and they'll want to play too. A fidget spinner would be okay, I guess. Just don't throw it back in, or else it will wake up your roommate for sure. And lastly, do not bring a Rubik's Cube because you'll be solving it all night